You've joined us in Starting Up. Now, you know we often cover funds that invest in early stage companies. But this time round, we thought we'd cover a growth fund. Now, these are funds that normally invest in companies that have revenues of over 50 crores. And this one's backed by one of India's largest corporate houses. Sudhir Syal gets us the story of TVS Capital.
If there's one name synonymous with two-wheelers in India, it's the TVS Group. A legacy of almost 100 years with a treasure house of learnings for any entrepreneur to tap into. And that's exactly what they did when Gopal Srinivasan from the TVS family ventured out and set up a growth fund. It happened after his mentor asked him one critical question.
My mentor, Professor C.K. Prahalad, whose student I was in 1981, asked me a simple question. Aren't entrepreneurs of the day much better than you? It made me think. It really made me think. So I went off and I said, what's the best thing I could do? And then I realized my passion was, the first job offer I got was to become an assistant to a venture capitalist in Michigan. So I said, why not private equity? India is growing. There's great entrepreneurs. If we can empower the next generation entrepreneur, isn't that a better thing to do and get a multiplier effect?
A multiplier effect is what Gopal was looking at. And to achieve this, he set up his first fund, one where he was partnered by financial powerhouse, the Shriram Group. The fund looks to invest between 50 and 70 crore rupees in companies which have revenues of between 50 and 100 crore. It generally looks at a stake of between 25 and 40% in its investee companies. The investment decisions being governed by two critical factors.
The two biggest drivers are really the fact that GDP is growing at 9%, which means $100 billion of growth each year. And per capita income, as you know, India is now around this magic inflection point in terms of per capita, which every day we read about in the papers. So we thought these could be the sectors where actually these entrepreneurs, when empowered, could truly become very, very disruptively successful.
One of their investments is Dusters, a housekeeping firm which before the TVS investment was run as two separate entities.
Today we are saying that you have to drive a margin from this business.
By brothers Shamsher and Jasmer Puri in Bangalore and Mumbai. TVS came in, convinced the two brothers to merge and set up one single company. A merger which brought with it great benefits.
We are a people business, so I think by just becoming one of the most exciting stories in the market, attracted a lot of top professionals, which would not have been possible if we were a small company. Of course, economies of scale, because your buying power, your suppliers, for them to come and supply it to you are, the quantities go much better, so your the rates that you can actually drive are much harder.
Today, Dusters employs 18,000 people with over 800 clients that includes both corporates and hotels.
From housekeeping to making pizzas, another company TVS Capital is invested in is Om Pizzas and Eats, a company which owns the master franchisee of American pizza chain Papa John's. The big play here to take a global success story, adapt it to the Indian palate and take it across the country.
Yes, apart from Papa John's, they're also looking at expanding their other two food chains, the Great Kebab Factory and the Mexican diner Chili's. They are looking to expand from 30 outlets to over 70 outlets this year. And this is where TVS will play a major role.
What struck a chord for us was really TVS, apart from the financial resources which they would bring to the deal, which was typical of any other fund house really, also brought in a lot of, I think, the human resource element in terms of advisory capabilities. I think that's what made the deal work for us. Capabilities. I think that's what made the deal work for us.
Here, TVS has brought in Hemu Ramaya, the founder of the landmark retail chain, to help the company. Choosing the entrepreneur is all important. And here, TVS has three clearly defined qualities they are looking for.
Yeah, first of all, I think that we are looking for an entrepreneur. I can almost put images in front of me. A very, very burning ambition and a burning desire. And the second person, somebody who will really listen to advice sensibly. And third one, who really respects investors, who respects governance processes, who respects compliance.
TVS has so far invested in 9 companies across the sectors of healthcare, media and retail. They also divide their investments on the basis of time spent. So while core companies like Dusters take bulk of their time, investments in special situation opportunities with fewer challenges demand a lesser time commitment. Balancing out both their investments and time, they have a simple goal for the next 5 years.
Have about 10 entrepreneurs here who said that their business and their lives have been changed because of working with TVS Capital. If that's done, I'm done.
Clearly for them, it's the entrepreneurs who are the freedom fighters of tomorrow, and their cry and joy is to equip them for all their battles ahead.
In fact, the founders are predicting